Have you ever wondered about the diversity and beauty of gardens across the globe? Each corner of our planet holds a unique expression of nature's palette, cultivated by human hands into spectacular green scenes. Prepare to embark on a journey through some of the most inspiring green spaces the world has to offer. From the simplistic Zen gardens of Japan to the intricate designs of French formal gardens, the variety is endless. Each corner of the globe beholds a unique interpretation of what a garden can be. The Royal Botanic Gardens in England, for instance, showcase a stunning collection of plants from around the world, a testament to the country's rich horticultural history. Then, we have the grandeur of the Versailles in France, a symbol of the absolute monarchy of the Ancien regime, with its intricate designs and meticulous symmetry. Turning eastward, the Ryoan-ji Zen Gardens of Japan offer a stark contrast with their minimalist, tranquil design, embodying a philosophy of simplicity and introspection. And let's not forget the Butchart Gardens in Canada, an enchanting spectacle of color and fragrance built in an old limestone quarry. Each garden, unique in its design and essence, tells a story of the people and the place it belongs to. Gardens are more than just beautiful spaces. They are a source of inspiration and tranquility. They serve as sanctuaries, fostering peace, serenity, and creativity. Imagine yourself immersed in a symphony of colors, fragrances, and sounds, where stress melts away and imagination takes flight. Spending time in these green spaces isn't merely a delightful experience. It's a health booster too, promoting physical well-being and mental clarity. Gardens not only enhance our surroundings, but also enrich our lives in countless ways. From east to west, gardens weave a tapestry of colors, textures, and scents that captivate and inspire us. They offer diversity and impact our lives in profound ways. If you enjoyed this garden tour, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring journeys around the world.